If you not get your Gemini Pro 1 year account yet, this video is for you, okay? If you want to get your Gemini Pro 1 year account, so you can get it by following process, okay? I have done my verification using Telegram bot, okay? And now I need to add payment method. If you want to get verification bot link, you can join my Telegram channel. You can join my WhatsApp community, okay? I will provide the community and Telegram channel link, the pin comment of this video. You can check the comment of this video and you can join my Telegram channel. On that channel, you will find the link, okay? Now I am adding payment method. I have done verification to get complete the subscription process. If you need ready accounts of Gemini Pro 4 month, Gemini Pro 1 year, okay, Gemini Pro 18 years, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Also, you can contact me on my Telegram. I just click on start trial and now I need to click on subscribe button to get subscribe this offer. 2 terabyte storage with Google AI Pro and many more features, NotebookLM and 1000 credit of AI Ultra I will get by subscribing this offer. You can see the offer has been subscribed successfully. So if you need accounts in lower rates, in cheap prices of Gemini's Pro, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. I will mention my number in the pin comment of this video. You can check there, okay? You can see there is a Pro status has been activated. You can see the Pro status, okay? And this is Gemini Pro has been activated. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.